In this video, we will cover the Lobstr Wallet, your secure and user-friendly companion and interface with the Stellar ecosystem. In the fast-paced world of cryptocurrency, having a reliable and secure wallet is paramount. The Lobstr Wallet has emerged as a popular choice among crypto enthusiasts due to its impressive features and user-friendly interface. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting your journey into the crypto space, the Lobstr Wallet offers a seamless experience for managing and safeguarding your digital assets. In the next few minutes, we will explore the key aspects that make the Lobstr Wallet a standout option in the market. One of the standout features of the Lobstr Wallet is its intuitive and user-friendly interface. Designed with both beginners and experienced users in mind, navigating through the wallet is a breeze. The clean layout and well-organized menus allow users to easily access their balances, transaction history, and various wallet settings. Additionally, the wallet supports multiple languages, making it accessible to a global audience. Whether you're using the web version or the mobile app, the Lobstr Wallet offers a consistent and enjoyable user experience. Security is of utmost importance when it comes to managing cryptocurrencies, and the Lobstr Wallet takes it seriously. The wallet utilizes industry-standard security measures to protect your digital assets. It employs state-of-the-art encryption to secure your private keys and ensures that they are never stored on their servers. Furthermore, the Lobstr Wallet enables users to set up two-factor authentication, 2FA, for an added layer of security. With 2FA, even if someone manages to obtain your login credentials, they would still need a unique verification code to gain access to your account. This feature significantly reduces the risk of unauthorized access and adds peace of mind for users. The Lobstr Wallet supports a diverse range of cryptocurrencies, including popular options such as Stellar XLM, Ripple XRP, Bitcoin, BTC, Ethereum, ETH, and many more. This versatility allows users to conveniently manage multiple digital assets from a single wallet, eliminating the need for multiple wallet applications. Moreover, the Lobstr Wallet provides seamless integration with various decentralized applications or dApps, as they are more commonly referred to in decentralized exchanges or DEX, which enables users to easily interact with their favorite blockchain-based platforms directly from the wallet interface. In the rapidly evolving world of cryptocurrencies, the Lobstr Wallet stands out as a secure and user-friendly option for managing digital assets. With its intuitive interface, advanced security features, and support for a wide range of cryptocurrencies, the Lobstr Wallet offers a holistic solution to crypto enthusiasts. Whether you're a novice or an experienced user, the wallet's accessibility and functionality make it an excellent choice. As the crypto market continues to grow and evolve, having a reliable and feature-rich wallet like Lobstr can significantly enhance your cryptocurrency experience and help you navigate the digital landscape with confidence.